Welcome to our project, our second partial project that is about sequences in math. My name is Eduardo Varela.
And my name is Juan Carlos Leal.
Well, first we will talk about the arithmetic sequence. In this sequence is a pattern that in between each term there is an that you add a number or subtract a number if it's negative, and in that number that you add it's called the common difference, or the letter D. In this sequence we can find the formula an. That means the term you want to find, or the nth term. And to find this term you need to first add the first term, and you add it to the multiplication of the common difference and the subtraction of the number you want to get, and subtract it. In our first example, you'll get this sequence. So here, we want to find out the following term. So we will use this formula of the arithmetic sequence, and we'll get the term we need to get. In this case, it's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth term. So we'll graph the fifth term. We'll add the first number, which is 4, and then multiply it by 5 minus 1, and the difference, that is, you get 4 to get to 6. It's a common difference of +2. So here we have, to get the fifth term, we'll have 4 plus 5 minus 1 times 2. So we'll have 4 plus 5 minus 1 times 2. So we'll have 4 plus 4 times 2 equals 4 plus 8 is 12. And the fifth term is 12.
Here is another example of arithmetic sequence. So here's our sequence: 1, 4, 7, and 10. We would like to find the fifth term. So we use our formula, that is this one. So we need to add the first term plus n minus 1, and that times d. So it's the first term, that is 1, plus 5, that is the term we would like to get. So it's 1 plus 5 minus 1, 4. So 4 times 3, that is the difference, is 4 times 3, 12, plus 1, 13. So our fifth term should be 13. So now we're going to talk about geometric sequences. The main difference between geometric and arithmetic sequences is that in geometric you can find the difference between terms by multiplication and division, and in arithmetic you find it by subtraction and addition. So in the formula for geometric sequences is an, that is the n term, and you need to multiply the first term times the difference of the terms raised to the power of n minus 1. So an example can be this one. So as you can see, our sequence is this one: 3, 9, 27, and we need to find the fourth term. So what we need to do is find our common difference. As you can see, 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and 27 divided by 9 equals 3. So our common difference is 3. So we need to put our formula in action. So we need to find the fourth term. So we need to put 3 times r, that is the difference, that is 3 raised to the power of 4, that is the term we need to find, minus 1. So when we simplify this formula, we get 3 times 3 to the third power. That is 3 times 27. And 27 times 3 equals 81. So our fourth term equals 81. Here is the example of geometric sequence. So let's look at our sequence. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So we need to look for the sixth term. So let's look at our formula. So we need to multiply the first term times the difference between the terms raised to the power of the sixth term that we're looking for, minus 1. So the difference between these terms, as you can see, is 2, because 2 divided by 1, 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. 8 divided by 4, 2. And 16 divided by 8, 2. So we put in action to our formula. So the formula is 1, that is the first term, times 2 to the fifth power. 2 to the fifth power is 32. So 32 times 1, 32. So our sixth term should be 32, because 32 divided by 16 equals 2.
Thank you for seeing our presentation. We hope you liked it.
And a reminder, use process.